Hey everyone, Prep Pan Paul here. Today, surprisingly, because I forgot I ordered it, this came in the mail. The Yaesu protective cage for the Yaesu FTX-1 radio. Let's go to the project cam and hook it up. Okay, we're at the project cam. And we got our Yaesu here, and we've got the Icom 705 to the side here. We're going to compare it size-wise with the Windcamp protective cage for the IC-705. I had forgotten that I ordered this, so I didn't know what it was that came in. But this is it. Looks like a little bag of screws to attach it. Yaesu on the top. It's got a larger handle. It's probably the front. Larger handle or grip in the front. The back has a smaller one. Looks like 3 connectors, 2 on the sides, and 1 for the mount for the tripod. Clearance on the front, clearance on the sides, back and front is plentiful. So let's see how it looks. I already disconnected everything from the FTX-1. I didn't think I needed to disconnect the battery, and it doesn't look like I did. See if it slides in. Okay, so slides in from the front. Probably would slide in from the back too. Let's see. Yeah, so either way you want. So you probably could leave your antennas connected. And of course, yeah, I already lost that piece. So you probably could leave your antennas connected and then just slide it in from the front. But you'd want to disconnect anything on the side. So let's do that. Yaesu's facing forward. Oh. Okay. So yeah, 2 screws for the side and 1 for the middle. Oh, and it's got to extend to be able to, you can still put it on a little tripod or some kind of a mount. Let's see here. Where is it? There it is. All right. We'll loosely tighten that so we can get these in. There we go. There's 1. And 2. I'll just finger tighten them for now and use a little flathead later. And that's tight. So yeah, you can still use a tripod. The battery still sticks way out, so no real protection back there. Yeah. With the battery, it still sits at an angle. It does have these feet down here, so if you didn't have this on, it would be straight and sit probably fine. But none of us sit with our heads that low, I don't think, unless your desk is way up high. But it does still sit at an angle, and that's how I use it. Plenty of room on the side to make your attachments over on each side. I gotta say though, it doesn't look like there's much protection on the front. So nice handles to grab it and pick it up or hold it or move it. Made of 3D, some kind of plastic printed material. It's not aluminum. It's sturdy, it's strong. It still has the speaker opening here. I just don't think there's that much. Let me see here. So I just don't think. So good at protection, lots of protection handles on the side and the bottom and the top. You still have access to all your buttons, but there's not a whole lot of protection on the front. I'm just going to test it here and try a credit card. Yeah, so it's touching. There's not even a credit card space between the VFO knob and the ground. I can feel it hitting whatever. So if there is a gap, it's minutely small because I can't even get a credit card in. So I don't think there's a whole lot of protection backside, front side, but it does give you handles and a little protection on top, bottom. It's definitely wider. So let's get the 705 in here with the Windcamp. Here's the 705 with the Windcamp metal product, and protects the back, protects the sides, and definitely protects the front. So there's a good 3/4 of an inch. Put it this way, and need to do something that's not rubbing on the VFO knob. The Yaesu one is definitely wider. I'm assuming they did that so you have room to move knobs, whereas this, there's a little bit of an obstruction here on the side. I can still handle it, or you just use your other hand, right? This one feels like there's more protection overall. It is smaller. Lengthwise, I think width and depth is probably about the same. Depth, yes, the Icom might be a little bit wider or deeper. Right about there. So yeah, the Yaesu is more shallow by about an inch. But the Yaesu is also wider by probably closer to 2 inches wider. So I don't think this is going to fit in, say, the Icom 705 backpack. It's just too wide. But there's plenty of backpacks for you to find for that, of course. But that's the comparison there. That's the difference in size. Again, this is aluminum. And this is a plastic or composite of some type. Still sturdy and very strong. But that's pretty much it. So hopefully this helps those of you looking at purchasing this cage. It protects it, sides, top, bottom, not so much front and back. And does give you that extra addition or extension here to still attach your tripod with. Okay, well, hopefully that helps you decide whether or not to purchase it. I think top to bottom and side protection is certainly great. Front to back, not so great. But I think the best feature is that it gives you handles to hold, pick up, and move the Yaesu FTX-1 around rather than just grabbing it. Thanks for watching. K5VOP out, 73.